Hello. Now today we are going to learn active and passive voice. Okay, this is the grammar part, as you know, active and passive voice. Now for that you need to understand subject, verb and object, because that is the main thing. Subject, verb and object. If you know what is the subject, what is the verb and what is the object, then you can be easily able to translate the active into passive and passive into active. Right? Now see, here is, suppose if I will give you one example. He eat an apple. Right? He eat an apple. Now from here you have to find out he, subject, correct? Eat, verb. An apple is your object. Okay, now what in active and passive it will be like apple, and apple will be your object, but it will go into the subject part, and he will be your object part in your passive voice. So this is active voice. Okay, this is active voice. A, we are writing A. Now here, an apple. Now you have to see the tense, eat, right? The tense is simple present tense. So what we are going to change in this, eat. So an apple is eaten, okay, by him. Right? Now he, here we have written as object. Now is eaten. Now this eaten is your past participle form. This is called past participle form. As I have told you earlier also, that ed and en form and t like blunt, burnt, okay, spent. So these are en type of forms. Here we are using in the active and passive voice to make it into passive voice. So here you have to understand one thing, that object will come into the subject part, then verb. Verb will be written in this format. See whether what the tense it is having, and then you have to add by and plus the subject, which will be coming as object in this part. Okay, so here is this is the first example that I am giving, that is of simple present tense. Okay, if I will write here 8. Okay, now this is 8 means what? Simple past tense. So now in the passive voice, what will happen? An apple is will change into was. Was, again eaten, that is past participle form, by him. Okay, because only 8, the past tense of the verb. So here we have changed into was. In simple present tense it was is, and eaten by him. So this is the way how we are going to do further exercises of active and passive voice. Okay, understood? So we will move on to next one.